Okay, now we will learn how to cross-sell products in Facebook and Instagram Shop to potential customers who just viewed, added to cart, or bought a product in your online store or in your Facebook and Instagram shop. It's a very effective way to make more sales because potential customers and customers are the one who will buy again and again. So that's why we want to show these same products from one category to the customers who bought something from this same category. So let's look at the Liza story here. Liza is a potential customer who is now in my online store and she's watching products from the beauty and wellness category. Maybe Liza found something. She viewed a product, maybe lipstick, then she maybe added to the cart and even bought it. Whatever happens, all these steps, data from all these steps will be collected by Facebook Pixel. And once we have data, any of these steps, we can use this data in remarketing purposes. So we can start advertising the same beauty and wellness products in the same category where Liza found a product she was looking at. So soon Liza will see beauty and wellness products in her Facebook and Instagram feed. And by the right away, because we will show Facebook and Instagram shop ads to Liza. And what we need to do to make this happen? First of all, we need to create a set of these items in Facebook Business Manager's Commerce Manager. And after that, we will create a catalog objective campaign in Facebook Business Manager and target the campaign to those who interacted with these items. So let's see everything in action. I open Chrome. It's wrong window. This one. First, let's look at my own online store, socialmediacalendar.co. Now let's assume that I'm Liza and I went to my online store and I'm here looking one of these categories. Let's say it's beauty. I'm looking beauty products. I like all of them, but most of all, I like wellness templates. So now I'm viewing wellness templates. This is something that Facebook Pixel will collect. This is the data that will be collected by Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel will also collect the data if I click Add to Cart button. And of course, it will collect the data if I buy wellness templates. Now, when I bought these templates, or at least I viewed them and added them to cart, now I'm a very potential customer to buy other products from beauty category, maybe from beauty and wellness category. So it's very good and effective way to sell more if Facebook and Instagram is showing these products for me again in my Facebook and Instagram feed. So let's make that happen in Facebook Business Manager's Commerce Manager. So let's go to Business Manager. I have to go to the Commerce Manager and it can be found from here, Commerce Manager. Then I click my shop. Of course, you have to connect your shop with Facebook Commerce Manager and connect your online store's feed to the catalog in Commerce Manager. That is something that I assume you have done. If you haven't done that yet, stop watching this video and find other video where I explain how to connect your online store with the Facebook Commerce Manager. Then come back to this video. But now I'm in Commerce Manager and here I will find my items, but I won't go to the items, I go to the sets. Now, in set section, I can create a set of all these beauty and wellness products we were just looking at. Right corner, create set. I like to create sets manually. I click that one and now I start finding these products. It's beauty. I found beauty products. I want some wellness products. like this. By typing the name of the products, I can find all of these products and add them to this set. I won't create the whole beauty and wellness set because I already have one. I have all beauty and wellness products because I'm using this same tactic to cross-sell these products to other customers who bought something from the same category. So I have this set here. Now you have some kind of set too. Now we will create the campaign. I go back to the items. I could click advertise set here too, but it's much more easier to go to the items and find the set from this drop-down menu, all beauty and wellness products, and now click advertise set. It will take me to the Facebook Business Manager, where I can create campaign and ads and ads just like I'm doing every day for other campaigns. So that's easier for me, and I guess it's easier for you too. So it's giving me catalog sales campaign objective. I can give it a name. I could give a name like viewed D8W product cross-sell other D8W products, like this, and I like to put the date, and it's May 27th. Okay, let's continue. Now we have created the set that we will use for retargeting. So anyone who viewed or added cart or bought something from this set will see other products from this set soon in Facebook and Instagram feed. Okay, I could give a name for that set. I skip that one now. Then I go to the budget. It may be 20 euros is enough. And now, audience section. I want to create a retargeting ads, not find new prospective customers for beauty and wellness products. I would create a campaign for that too, but in this video, we are learning to make a remarketing video, remarketing ad. So retarget ads to people who interacted with your products on and off Facebook. Many opportunities here, but I want to use custom combination, and here I choose the set interacted with products from all beauty and wellness products. And one more, it can be also purchase. I delete this one here. So some of these happened. Somebody viewed or maybe even added to cart or maybe even purchased a product from beauty and wellness category. And soon he or she will see ad from other beauty and wellness products in his or her Facebook or Instagram feed. That's it. Nothing else, automatic placement, it's good. Let's find this next button here. Some basic things. Ad setup, dynamic formats and creative. This is like default option here, and you can leave it like this if you want to show images that are coming from your online store. By syncing your online store and Facebook together, Facebook will use the pictures and images you are using in your online store. So now it will just play around with these images that are already in this beauty and wellness sector. And 10, I'm using catalog here. It's dynamic video. I could write some kind of text here, just text here. Don't touch this one or this one. These are same that are in your products. You can change them, of course, if you want to. Then you need a link to your online store like this. And in default, in many online stores, I'm using Shopify. I have to do nothing for deep links. but maybe with other online stores, I don't know about them, you may have to create deep links. Deep links means that when somebody clicks this shop now button, he or she will be taken to exactly to this product page. Otherwise, if deep links are not working with your online store and between Facebook, it will take just to the website you wrote here. But with Shopify, everything is working perfectly. You don't have to do anything. If you have to add deep links, I will have another video for that. But that's it. That's everything I have to do. And just click publish and everything is ready to go.